what I was saying, ours is a people's army. So we normally encourage the civilians to learn the science of arms. This is part of the strategy. In case of a big war, you need numbers. That's how we get a small country like Israel, with only 6 million people, able to raise a big army. Because they train and go back home to do other things. Congratulations, and I wish you good luck. You people don't repeat mistakes. I don't want to hear corruption in parliament. I don't want to hear corruption in parliament. Because if there is corruption in parliament, how will you control the other people? Because you say you are oversight. If you, the oversight, are also sick, who will oversight you? It will kill Uganda. This is suicide. This is suicide. It must not be there. Do you agree, people? Do you agree? And I don't want to hear that people who are looking for offices are giving bribes. If we hear that, you will be disqualified from any office. So, let's really get rid of corruption. This is a lot of money which we are sending down. If it is well used, it will change the country. So therefore, make sure that you, the new young people, don't get polluted with this smelly problem. If there are some pressures, because of the mistakes you get involved in getting involved in things you don't understand very well, don't get debts also. Don't borrow money from money lenders and from banks, you people. The young people were talking about Rubanga TA. Indeed, Rubanga TA, because he's there.